There's something quietly exhilarating about a flat sheet of wood transformed by laser precision into a network of abstract silhouettes, shapes that seem to float just above the wall, casting intricate shadows that shift with every flicker of light. Laser-cut abstract wood silhouettes blend digital design with natural warmth, marrying the uncanny accuracy of computer-driven cutting with the organic grain and tones of real timber. The result is a dance between sharp lines and soft edges, light and shadow, technology and craft, all unfolding across your walls, in your windows, or hanging free as kinetic installations. Imagine beginning with a digital sketch, a series of interlocking arcs, jagged peaks, flowing curves, perhaps inspired by topographical maps, fractal patterns, or the scales of a dragonfly's wings. You refine dozens of iterations on screen, adjusting nodes, smoothing curves, testing positive and negative spaces until the pattern feels both otherworldly and intuitively balanced. Then you feed that vector artwork into a laser cutter, secure a thin sheet of high-quality plywood or MDF on the bed, and watch as the laser's beam, exactly calibrated for speed and power, burns through fiber and veneer, leaving behind crisp silhouettes that would take days by hand but emerge in mere minutes under the laser's path. The magic lies in the details. Every cut edge bears a faint char line, a halo of caramelized wood that highlights each silhouette's contours. Generous fillets soften interior corners where the laser's circular beam blends with the wood's heat response, while tighter radii give geometric forms a bold, modern edge. Even the char's subtle brown gradient becomes part of the design, accentuating each piece's depth and adding warmth to what could otherwise read as cold machinery work. Once cut, each silhouette is carefully lifted from the sheet, sometimes dozens of shapes from a single run, then lightly sanded on the reverse side to remove any lingering soot. The fronts remain raw or are given a fine wipe of clear oil to bring out the grain's figure without sacrificing the charred edge's crispness. Designers might choose maple for its pale, smooth face, walnut for its rich contrast to the burn lines, birch plywood for uniformity, or even exotic veneers, zebrawood or purple heart, for electric pops of color beneath the laser's engraving. These silhouettes can be arranged in countless ways. A single large cut piece, perhaps an abstract mountain range or a stylized wave, becomes a mural-like panel spanning several feet. Smaller shapes can be grouped into grid arrays where each cutout varies slightly, creating a moire effect as you move, or they can be loosely scattered across a wall, as if a secret pattern has been released and is slowly drifting upward. Some artists back them with colored acrylic, teal, amber, smoke gray, so the light shines through the laser-cut voids, turning your wall into a glowing tessellation at night. Mounting is straightforward yet can be artful. Concealed standoffs push the silhouettes a half-inch from the wall, letting shadows pool behind each curve, turning a static form into living relief. Others adhere the shapes flush for a graphic, membrane-like effect, perfect for accent panels in offices or chic lofts. Magnetic backings let you swap patterns seasonally or reposition pieces until the composition sings. 4 softer installations, ceilings or windows, fine monofilament suspends multiple shapes at staggered depths, creating a kinetic mobile that spins gently in drafts, scattering filigreed shadows across floors and walls. In residential spaces, laser-cut silhouettes work wonders in minimalist interiors. A trio of abstract cloud forms above a sofa offers visual intrigue without overwhelming open-plan living rooms. In dining areas, a running strip of interlocking geometric shapes serves as a modern valance or a backsplash accent, functional art that conceals lighting strips or cables while adding texture. Bedroom headboards transform when composed from repeating leaf-like cutouts, their layered arrangement offering the tactile warmth of wood with the precision of high-tech fabrication. In commercial and hospitality settings, the possibilities expand. Acoustic panels made of laser-cut patterns not only tame echo in open offices and restaurants but look like digital lace, softening neon lights and concrete surfaces with wooden warmth. Retail boutiques mount slender columns of mirrored acrylic pierced by abstract wood silhouettes, reflecting both product and pattern for a kaleidoscopic display. Hotel lobbies favor grand installations. Walls alive with thousands of laser-cut shapes cascading from floor to ceiling, act as organic counterpoints to polished stone and steel. The design process can also embrace user customization. Some studios offer online configurators. Select from a library of base silhouettes, fractals, botanical shapes, algorithmic forms. Adjust size, rotation, spacing, and depth offset, then preview your wall in an augmented reality mock-up before ordering. Within hours, the patterns are cut, edged, and shipped, ready to install. The interplay of mass production and bespoke design becomes seamless. No two walls need ever look the same. Maintenance is simple. A soft brush or microfiber cloth keeps surfaces dust-free. Occasional touch-up oil revives the wood's glow. The laser's precision ensures that even intricate filaments, a spiderweb of cut lines a quarter-inch wide, remain crisp for years. If a panel needs replacement or reconfiguration, simply snap it off its standoffs and swap in a new design. For the hands-on craftsperson, smaller-scale DIY projects can replicate the effect with desktop laser cutters or hand tools guided by simple stencils. Cutting templates by hand, you might trace a leaf pattern or abstract swirl onto a thin board, score it deeply with a utility knife, then finish with hand sanding and staining. While it lacks the laser's perfect curves, the charming irregularity of human-cut silhouettes can lend a folk art feel to cabinets, shelving risers, or picture frames. Whether created by digital wizardry or hand-forged artisanal care, abstract laser-cut wooden silhouettes hark back to shadow puppet traditions, stories told through negative space, yet they remain resolutely contemporary. They engage our senses, visual complexity that challenges perception, tactile warmth that invites touch, and the play of light and shadow that keeps a room alive. These installations sit at the crossroads of nature and technology, grain and geometry, softness and precision. A reminder that innovation can honor the most elemental of materials, translating the warmth of wood through the laser's cold beam into art that resonates in every modern space. Laser-cut abstract wood silhouettes sit at the intersection of machine and meaning. They're cold cut by a hot beam, yet somehow they come out feeling warm, human even. Each piece starts with a flat sheet of wood, thin plywood, birch, walnut veneer, or reclaimed paneling. But the real magic is what gets taken away. Instead of carving with a blade, the artist uses a laser to burn through the grain, slicing out negative space and leaving behind delicate shapes that could never be achieved by hand. These silhouettes are abstract by design. You won't find animals or trees or faces here, not directly. What you get instead is suggestion. Flowing forms, tangled lines, jagged geometries, or chaotic fractals that play with your mind. Are they roots? When? A neural map? Is that a figure buried in the curve? You stare longer because your brain wants to make sense of the shapes. But it can't, not completely, and that's what makes it stick. The laser's precision is the tool, but the art is in restraint. Too many cuts and the piece becomes fragile, shapeless. Too few and the form says nothing. The balance is everything. Carving just enough wood to reveal something hidden in the grain, while leaving enough behind to hold the whole thing together. These pieces can be small and delicate, a thin square hanging in a quiet entryway. Or they can be massive, full wall panels made of repeating abstract silhouettes, each one cut slightly different than the last. Some artists mount them a few inches off the wall, letting shadows fall behind and double the design. Others layer multiple sheets, light over dark, natural over painted, building depth with air between layers, not just wood. What you notice first is the sharpness. Every edge is crisp, every line exact. But it's not sterile. The wood softens the geometry. Grain lines run through the shapes, turning sterile cuts into something more organic. Even the scorch marks left by the laser, that thin dark outline around each cut, become part of the style. It's not a flaw. It's a fingerprint of the process. Finishes vary. Some artists leave the wood raw, just sanded smooth and sealed with a clear coat. Others stain the surface to highlight the contrast between burned edges and clean grain. Still others paint one side, then cut through to reveal the natural wood underneath. But almost nobody uses gloss. These silhouettes are meant to be matte, more texture than shine. They're not there to reflect light. They're there to manipulate it. Lighting is everything. A single spotlight from above throws hard shadows across the wall behind the silhouette, making the art twice as deep. Backlighting works too. Mount the piece a few inches off the wall, add soft LEDs behind it, and suddenly it glows like stained glass without the glass. The wood frames the light. The shapes cast long echoes. Making them takes more than just hitting a print button. The design process is slow, iterative. The artist draws the shape in vector form, adjusts line weight, simplifies here, complicates there, then tests cuts on scrap wood to make sure the piece won't fall apart. One wrong line, one extra cut, and the whole thing crumbles. This is precision work pretending to be loose. Some silhouettes get framed in metal. Others float freely. Some are part of furniture, mounted into tabletops or wall dividers. But even alone, hung like a painting, they hold their own. They challenge the idea that art has to be painted or sculpted. They prove that subtraction, cutting away, can be just as powerful as adding on. And because the laser doesn't care about fatigue or human error, These silhouettes can go where hands can't. Superfine lines. Deep interior cuts. Maze-like paths with curves tighter than any saw blade could manage. And yet, it still feels handcrafted because the wood grounds it. It smells like burnt grain when it comes off the bed. It warps slightly if not handled right. It ages. It still breathes. That's the beauty of laser-cut wood silhouettes. They are both digital and analog. Clean lines on organic material. Perfect shapes cut from imperfect surfaces. Cold process, warm result. And when you hang one on a wall, what you get isn't just a design. It's a contradiction made solid, order and chaos, machine and nature, all wrapped into a frame of fire-cut timber. So if your wall's begging for something more than a canvas print, forget the poster. Go with precision. Go with grain. Go with something that looks like it came from a machine but feels like it came from a forest. That's a laser-cut abstract wood silhouette, sharp, strange, and completely alive.